Hey, what's up? Hopefully I'm live and this is working again. This is the second live stream that I'll be doing for this channel so far. The first one seemed to work pretty well. So actually, I was going to place a trade on Cardano. That seems to be a hot topic at the moment. We actually have a video on this channel about Cardano if you want to learn a little bit more about it. Give you the bite-sized version. Our video is like 5 minutes or something. Also, please subscribe to this channel if this is of any interest to you and you want to learn more about these topics. I'm really trying to get to 100 subscribers by the end of the month, so it would be great. But whenever I hopped back on here to do the Cardano trade, I took a look at the Harmony 1 trade that I just streamed. So I streamed that. I explained where I was going to get in and where I was setting my support and my stop losses and stuff. I went to the grocery store and I came back and look what happened. You know, so I got in like right around here. So look, we need to move our stop loss. All right. So let's go ahead and cancel this. I don't think we even need to worry about this buy anymore, but that's okay. Let's put our stop, like, I don't know, man. Let's put it up here at like, yeah, 40. Not percent, sorry. Somewhere around, I reckon, let's do 13.3889, okay? So we want to sell 0.13. Oh, shit. Oh, it's going down 13.496. 496. Okay. Actually, we can probably do it right here and leave a little room to run. Oh, I'm getting greedy, aren't I? Let's do 13346. 13346. All right. And limit's going to be whatever. I'll put it back. I'll put it like, no, same actually. Point. No, I'll keep it the same. 0.10889. Yeah, nah. It's fine. 10889. That's fine. Yeah, that's fine. I won't sell all of it if that happens. I don't know. I reckon I will. Why not just get out, you know, having made some money? And bam, yeah. So, yeah. Look, what this is saying is that, yeah, no, I think that's fine. And actually, I'll bump this. It's a little bit dangerous, though, because it could easily come down and I'll get stopped out of the trade. Let's just do it like, I don't know. How about right here? How about at this top? So this candle, it closed at 0.12289. That's fine. 289. Leave some for some other people. You know what I'm saying? 0.12289. That's fine as well. Get out of all of it. Yeah, that's fine. Oops. It's supposed to be. Oh, because I should have chosen the open actually. Well, yeah, I reckon that's probably still okay. That's probably still okay. So yeah, great. You know, I entered this trade like around, well, where did I? It was at 0.11399 and 0.11395. And I hope all this live stream is working. So 113, about here, right? That's cool. And so worst case scenario really is, you know, it falls to here and I sell and it'll probably come down to this support level. Again, if it comes down to here, I'm going to be a buyer again. So yeah, it's all good, man. It's cool. That's how you want to trade. Let's see. Is there anything else I want to say about this? I will mention something about the stop loss that I just put on here. Look, the trigger condition, order history, open orders, there. See this trigger condition, 0.12289, right? That's where this is. And the price, as you can see, is 0.10889. which is right here where I have another buy. So, you know, whether that makes that much sense or not, it doesn't really matter. The point is basically, honestly, I almost don't even want to have what this is saying is that if the price comes past this, it's going to initiate a sell. It's going to try to start selling, but it will keep trying to sell all the way down until this point. And at this point, if it goes below this, then it won't sell anymore. And I don't really know if I like that. Like, the idea is that if it comes down here and it passes this, then well, really, actually, what I should do is put it like right here. Because what that would say is if you can't sell it between here and here, you might as well let it come back down to this support level where it can bounce off. But I really don't care about that. Like, I reckon I just want to get out all the way. So, I don't know. I want it to keep executing, man, forever. I almost want to put like 0. So, I think I'll move it down to this support level right here. Move it down to, I think that's 0.199. I think that's safer, really. I think that's okay. So that's going to be, oops, where's that red candle? This red candle is closed at 0.09041. Okay. 12. Okay, so now as you can see, 0.09041, which is here, I think. We'll draw a line. Gotta get my groceries into the refrigerator. 0.090, right around here somewhere. So the idea is that, look, if this comes down to here, it's going to execute a sell, okay? And I hope that I can sell it right here. But if it's crashing so fast that I'm not able to get sold, which shouldn't be a problem. I don't have a huge position in this, you know, in this coin. But if it just keeps going down, it's going to keep trying to sell it as best it can. Sell it, sell it, sell it, sell it as much as it can. But if it reaches this point, and it still hasn't been able to sell and get myself out of the position, then it's not going to, because I think right here is a solid support level. So if it passes through this, I think it's going to bounce off this and come back up, and then I'll have an opportunity to actually sell it at a better price somewhere in this range. That's the logic. But even if that were to happen, I really don't think, you know, I think that if it gets here, it's just going to sell right around here. So, okay. That's enough about this position, but I'm quite happy with this position. We've done well today. Let's see what kind of percentage so far we've done. Just kind of zoom in here, and I put it on around what was it again? Oops, open orders, order history. Let's just say 0.11399, even though I got a little bit better price actually, but I'll use this one to be conservative. 0.11399. Okay. Oops. Yeah, right around here somewhere. So if we do the percentage, well, you're not going to showing me a percentage of this, but I thought that it would show me a percentage of where my oh, that's funny. I thought it would show me a percentage gain from like the edge of the chart to the current place of the chart, which obviously is not negative 92%, 14.92% because it's positive, right? I could calculate it if I wanted to. And actually, you know, this is maybe more for basic traders, so I'll show you how you would calculate that. Think about this. If you have you basically take whatever the whatever it's trading at right now. So in this case, it's going to be 0.13150, okay? Minus what you got in at. So let's say 0.11399, okay? And then this number, you divide that by the number that you got in at, which is, again, 0.11399. And then you multiply that by 100, and that's your percentage. So far today, I've made 15% on this. That's pretty awesome. And yeah, I mean, that's a good trade. It definitely, I'll put it this way, it pays my rent. Pays my rent for the month if I were to get out right now. That's sweet, man. Actually, more than my rent. Okay, anyways, let's go ahead and do what we were going to do in the first place, which is buy some Cardano. Buy some Cardano. Search for ADA. ADA USDT. There we go. Let's take a look at this. Ooh, we're falling down. Actually, that's not bad. All right, take a look at the 1 hour candles. That's looking pretty good. That's looking pretty good. This backs up all the way to, yeah, at the beginning of the month. That looks like a pretty solid buy point, actually. Look, do it like this. Oops. Oh, come on, man. Look at this. Ooh. Okay. Draw another line. Okay, so, you know, again with the wedges, which I mentioned in the last video. Again, if you're liking this, please consider subscribing to the channel. Okay, if you're seeing a wedge like this, there's a good chance that towards this point of the wedge, it's going to shoot up again, and you can see that here. You know, this isn't rocket science, surprisingly. Ooh. So you see that? See that? Here's the point of the wedge, shot up, right? And, you know, you can draw these in other places as well, but there's a good chance that this is going to keep, you know, coiling up and then pop up again. So I'll go ahead and place a buy order right now, and I don't really know if I even care to place a, these are all 1 minute or 1 hour. What is this? 0.12. Do I have a position? Maybe I have a position in Cardano already. Oh, that's where the price is right now. Okay. So what I was going to do is, yeah, I think this is a pretty good time to go ahead and buy. It's just, you know, do you really want to place a limit order? I mean, I kind of just want to place a market order. I think it's fine. So I think that's what I'll do. The issue is that if you place a market order, I'm not sure all of Binance's rules, I need to look this up, but sometimes if you don't place a limit order, then you'll incur more fees, but that's okay. I'm not going to worry about it right now. I'll have to look that up later. I'm not making a gigantic trade, but let's put in, I don't know. What do I want to put into this? I think we'll do a $5. No, not sell ADA, man. I'm gonna buy this. USDT. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Limit order. Okay, it got filled anyways. But now we need to immediately protect ourselves, okay? So look, if it falls down, where's our support? Really, you need to determine your support before you ever go into a trade. So this is not, this isn't the best like example of how to do this. And also, I should have put in probably a smaller position and then said, okay, buy it at this place, which I really should even do right now, to be honest with you. But that's okay. I'm not going to fool with that at the moment. I'll go ahead and put in a support or a stop loss. Let's say, where do I want to put this? You know, my theory, right? My hypothesis is that it will come to here and shoot up. So really, if it comes to here or below, my hypothesis is wrong, and I think I want to get out. So we'll go ahead and go here. Actually, sorry, I need to take a look at this real quick. What time is it? This is on the 16th at 1400. Okay. And here on the 16th, oh, 16th around 1400. Yep, right around here. If it comes down past this, I think I'm going to have to get out. So what is that? We're looking at what about this red candle? This red candle had a low of 1.0086. So I'll do my sell, I'll do stop limit 1.0086. And same situation as last time. I reckon it comes here about, I think if it comes here, a low of 0.99000. Oops. I'm going to get out of all of it. Do I already own some ADA though? Well, I got to check my balance here. I think I probably do. Well, how much did I buy? I mean, that's the main question. ADA, I bought this much, executed amount. I mean, I just want, there we go. And that's it. And turn on my A. What happened? Did that not execute? Total, what the heck? Oh, because it didn't put the decimal in there. Zero point, the, 0.9900. I think that's what I said, right? And again, that's around, it's on the 16th, around 1400. Say here, yes, low of 1, eh? I want to go a little bit below 1 though. Closed at, I thought we had selected something else though. But I think it's going to be here, right? The low is 1. Yeah. You just something. It's going to be in here somewhere. How about this guy? Stomach's growling. Y'all hear that? Still about the same. So again, that's this. Yeah, the 16th around 1400. Right around here somewhere. If it falls past this, you know, I think we got a problem. So 0.0000. Bear with me. Sometimes I don't feel the need. I wish I could just like not have to put the limit on there and just sell it, you know, whatever price you can get, just sell it. And I suppose if I just went ahead and put it like down here, that would pretty much be true. But I think if it fell, it would at least hit some support here, my guess. So I'll go ahead and put it maybe at the top of this thing, which is on the 12th of February at 8 o'clock. So we'll say this guy, the high of 1.22, eh? Doesn't really make sense. Because I'm in March. Okay. We'll say 0.98. Yeah, see, really all of this should have been decided before I ever entered into the trade. So, not the greatest example, but that's okay. I still think, you know, if it falls here, I definitely want to be selling and where's my, oh, I haven't put it on yet. Yep, that's fine. But if it gets to, let's say here, this thing, this guy right here, we'll say 0.84288. Four. That though, maybe I missed it. What is this guy? The low is 0.85. That 0.855. All right, well, at any rate, what we have set up here is if it falls past this point, then it's going to keep going down or it's going to try and sell. if it falls past around this point, falls past around this point, I said, you know, great though. I'm just thinking it will probably bounce off this. Honestly, I don't think it matters that much because it's going to sell up here anyways. But I hate just leaving it hanging like that. I should change that, man. Maybe 0.5. It's very unlikely, but maybe I change it to 0.5. Yep. Okay, so now what I have set up here is, sorry for not being super concise with this trade, but anyways, look, if it that oh, darn it. Zero 0.5. This should be. Okay, there, I think we finally got it. Look, if it falls to here, we're going to sell. That's fine. And what would be the loss on that, the percentage loss? So again, we can do this. We can go bring up our calculator here. Oh, you know what? Y'all can't see my calculator, can you? Where is, how do I bring up my calculator in Binance? I'm sure there is one. Battle crypto loans. That's surprising. No calculator, huh? User center. What is this? Charts? Nope. All right, maybe I can. You're just going to have to take my word for it. Basically, what you need to do to figure out what the percentage loss is going to be is you take where you entered into the trade, which for me is going to be at 1.20251, and subtract where you're going to sell at. So for me, it's actually, yeah, 1.0086, and then you divide that number by your initial number that you got in at. So I wish I need to show you guys my calculator, but my screen recording thing's not set up to do so. I'll just have to talk you through it. I'm going to start with my where I got in at, so 1.20251, okay, minus where I would be selling at 1.00860, and that is 0.19391. Now I divide, yeah, 0.19391 over, actually, yeah, I think that's right. Yep, divide that over where I got in at, so 0.19391 divided by 1.20251. So that'd be a pretty serious loss, man. That'd be a 16% loss. That would suck. That would suck. I hope that doesn't happen. We'll see. Crypto's, you know, it's a risky business doing crypto, but you know, just like with the ADA play, or the with the one coin play that we did earlier today. So let's go back to that. Where's my one coin? Okay, she's still going up. That's looking pretty good. You know, I've gained a lot on this, man. What? I wish it would show us the history. Wish it would show us the percentage gains in here somewhere quickly and easily for the trades I placed on this particular coin today, but it's okay. We can just do the math real quick. So where it's at now, 0.13400 minus where I got in, 0.11399. Yep, times 100. So 3 minus 0.113395 times. I don't think that's right. 0.134. Ooh, it's higher now. Whatever. 460 minus 0.11399, let's say. Okay. Over where I got in at, which is 0.11399 times 100. So far today, 18% on one coin. So my point is that, you know, basically the charts are with us. The momentum is with us. We're in a bull market. Yes, you have to protect yourself. And again, I'm not a professional trader. I'm not a financial advisor. I am just speaking on like my limited understanding of trading and markets and all that stuff. But the way that I see it is basically, if you are going to be in this game, the rewards and risks are just more intense in crypto. So the charts and the patterns seem to be with us, which makes me feel like, okay, you know, obviously I've shown right here that you could stand to gain 15-20% in one day. You can also stand to lose that much. So I'll open up this other tab. Go to ADA. And you know, here, if it falls to here and I have to sell, I bought around here somewhere, and if it falls here, yeah, I'll have lost like 16% or something like that. So you can make it, you can lose it, but overall, like it seems that the momentum is with us on these particular trades. So it's better than 50-50, I reckon. You know, I hate to say that, but I have a chart in front of me that is saying this is what's probably going to happen. This is not like, I mean, it's a pretty obvious chart. Wedge patterns going up, you know, ascending wedge patterns, lots of momentum, a bull market, you know, various other reasons that I won't really get into, like cult following, and it's in the news and trending, and it's on all these YouTube channels and FOMO and whatever. You know, I mean, I'm trading with the trend, and I'm trading with the patterns, and I'm creating stop losses. So yes, it could drop from here, and it could shoot through my stop loss, and like I could lose money. I get that. But if you just keep placing small bets that have higher than 50-50 probability. And if you know, I mean, like the most I can lose is here, but the most I can make is infinite. So just the probability is on my side. And again, you know, don't get wrecked. Make sure that you are trading as safely and responsibly as you can. But all I can say is so far today, it's been a pretty good day. And we'll see what happens. I hope to wake up to find that that this has gone up and I can therefore raise my stop loss here, which will mean that I've locked in my gains. I'm kind of playing with house money at that point, or, I could take some off the table or something like that. All right, I'll stop rambling and wish everyone who's watching this safe, happy crypto trading. And please subscribe to the channel. I'll make these better. I'll ramble less, and I will be more concise in future videos. Okay, I'll bring y'all great information as best I can. And every time I make these videos, make them a little bit